So every now and again, I get asked, how do I start a YouTube channel? What should I do? Well, today is your lucky day because I got some beginning steps right here.
Let's do it.
Now, when people ask me about starting a YouTube channel, one of the first things I tell them is don't go taking out a mortgage trying to find a fancy camera and a whole bunch of equipment to get started, because it's not necessary. Tell you what, I've almost had to move back into my mama's house trying to afford the stuff I got up in here. Anyways, I've digressed. This is not about me. This is about you. This right here is the Comica CVM-VS08. This is a smartphone microphone. So the reason why I wanted to do this one is because your smartphone is your main camera. Like, you pull it out every time you want to take a picture, right? You take great Instagram videos and pictures with it. Why not shoot your YouTube videos and vlogs with it too? So Comica has a solution for your audio because, I don't know, sometimes smartphone audio is not always the best. I'm using an Android phone, but of course, like everything else, it does work for iPhones too. So let's just pop this thing open and see what it's all about. But while I'm doing that, let's go ahead and read some features. We got the cardioid pattern here, audio monitor, creative smartphone stopper, super anti-interference, professional mic. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay, what do you think? Oh, okay, we got more stuff in there. Let's get it all out of there. Got some instructions, got another little box in there. Okay, there we go. Let's get that out of here. I don't show that box no respect. We might need to keep these instructions. All right, so, hey, to give us a wind muff, nice. You know what, Comica makes good products. In fact, the mic I'm using up here is a Comica mic. So getting into this thing, we got another wind muff right here. So we got a dead cat and a wind muff. Got some silica gel. You got the actual mic. This feels like a good quality mic. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And then this is the mic stopper. So let's get this out of the way. Put that over there and let's just take a look around this bad boy. So it's kind of a shotgun mic style, but it's made for smartphones, so it's a little bit shorter. You got your Comica branding right there. You got your model number. Then you got all your little open ports for the audio to feed into this bad boy. Then on the back side, you have your monitoring input. This is a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack right here. But this thing does not monitor real time. So you can't like put on a set of headphones and listen as a pass-through. You can't do that. It's just only for monitoring after you recorded the video, which is pretty convenient because you have to stick this up in your 3.5 millimeter jack. Now it's blocked and you don't have to unplug this in order to monitor your audio. So that's a good look. Okay, so let's get this thing put together on my phone. You know what? I just thought about something. iPhones don't have a 3.5 millimeter jack, but it should work if you use your dongle. Sorry about that, iPhone guys. My bad. So I got a Galaxy Note 8 here. I'm not trolling at all. I swear to you, I'm not trolling. I just forgot. Okay, so you plug it into the jack. You know what? First of all, let's see how this thing is going to go together because we have this this smartphone stopper here. So I'm going to use the selfie mode. So this should go on the back, right? Let's just put that on the back right there. Just like that. Then we will plug in the 3.5 right there. And now we have the microphone aiming at me if I'm in selfie mode. And this stopper right here, you see how it's kind of turning and stuff, and you don't want it to flex and break off right there. So you just kind of push that stopper up there, and that way it just kind of stops it from wiggling so much and kind of protects the 3.5 port because you got this thing just kind of dangling off to the side. Now my smartphone has a mic attached to it and we're ready to go. Oh wait, let me put this little wind muff on real quick. That way we get better audio without too much interference. All right, so that's your full setup. Now, when you're vlogging, you're gonna look like this. You're gonna be holding your phone up and doing all this mess. But let's go ahead and test out this mic so we can see if it's got good sound or not. Let me wipe my screen off real quick. Where do I supposed to look? Right there, right there's the camera lens. Okay, so this is audio directly from my this is actually video and audio directly from my smartphone with the shotgun mic hooked up to it. Now I'm going to stop this video right now, and then I'm going to unplug the mic. And now we have audio directly from the smartphone. That way you can hear the difference. So this is audio directly from the smartphone. That way you know what it sounds like. And let me do it one more time. And now we have audio for the second time with the shotgun microphone. And just to see how it sounds, I'm going to go ahead and stop this right now. Now I'm going to grab a set of headphones to see how this audio monitoring works out. Okay, now we've got my One Audios in the building. Shout out to One Audio. Let me plug this into the back of here and let's play this clip. Sounds pretty good. Okay, that is super cool. Okay, so look, from what I heard, I'm gonna upload this and you'll get to hear what I just heard, but from what I can hear, when I'm using the phone by itself, the audio sounds like the phone is kind of far away or the mic is kind of far away. But with the mic attached, it kind of closes the audio in and it doesn't sound so far away. It does sound better with the mic. You're better off with this mic than without it. So all I gotta say, man, so far it sounds really good. And I like the concept here where you can actually listen to your audio. Once again, it's not like you cannot actively listen to your audio while it's recording, but after you've recorded, you don't have to unplug this. You can keep it plugged in and monitor your audio that way. And man, I'm thinking this is a pretty good value. The sound quality is good. You get 2 wind muffs. You got the dead cat here, and it's a nice quality mic. I gotta give this a thumbs up, man. And once again, if you start a YouTube channel or you want to get into some video stuff, your phone is always the first place you go, because nowadays the phone cameras, they're pretty nice. So go ahead and use your phone camera, and now you got a great audio option for your phone. Can't argue with that. I ain't no expert in this kind of stuff, but I do know a little bit about YouTube. So if you had a good time watching this video and checking out this mic, you go ahead and throw those emoji hands up in the comments section, and I'll see y'all at the next one. All right, apparently you had a good time watching this video. Well, today is your lucky day, because I done already made a whole bunch of them for you to go back and binge watch. But if you just want to check out the new stuff, you make sure you smash on that subscribe button and tap that little bell. That way you'll know when it's time to come back and open up some new stuff.